guys, welcome to my channel. If you're planning to prepare Indigo cabin crew interviews, so this video is for you. So talking about eligibility criteria, your age should be 18 to 27 years with 10 plus 2 qualification. Your English and Hindi should be very fluent because it's very important, the languages are very important, and there should be a valid Indian passport. Talking about height, your height should be minimum 155 centimeters with BMI proportionate to your height. And talking about visible marks and visible tattoo, so there should be no visible tattoo while in uniform, although I do have one tattoo, but this tattoo is not visible in the uniform, so this works. And talking about your appearance, it should be well groomed with positive body language and happy and smile on your face. So that's all about it. So now the Indigo is hiring for August 2026. So there's online assessment interview. So I'll tell you the process how to apply for the interview. So I'll be recording my screen and you'll be able to see somewhere here. So you have to go to Google and you have to search Indigo Careers. Then you'll be able to see hiring events careers. You have to click to that on that. So there will be there's written here in-flight services cabin crew. You don't have to choose any other option. You have to choose only this option, in-flight services and cabin crew. Click on view events. Now there's one page will open saying for candidates without flying experience and for candidates with flying experience. So you are not, of course you might not have flying experience, so you have to click here to apply. So before clicking here, let's check where all interviews are going on. From 6th of August 2026, Ahmedabad. So here the location name is given, like Ahmedabad, Chandigarh, Delhi, Bagdogra, Darjeeling, Navi Mumbai, Ambala. So all these interviews are invitation based interview, so they are not walk-in interviews right now. So where it would be written walk-in time, it means that is only walk-in interviews, or other else there are just invitation based interview. So let's see the process. So for candidates without flying experience, you have to click here to apply. Then this page will open. Now you can read here registration and screening, then how to give your interview, and you'll understand once you apply, and once you get to that page you'll get to understand that. So communication assessment, so there's note written here, please ensure that you attempt all 10 questions. Okay, there will be 10 questions and 9 in English and 1 in Hindi. So you have to answer all 10 questions. You can, and of course you can see the details and everything. The eligibility criteria is also written here, so there's no stress here for you. Everything will be able to see. Now you have to click on quick apply. Then this form will be opened. You have to fill this very attentively. Please ensure that put email. So once the email which you are uploading here, on that mail only you receive an invitation for the interview. Please remember, you have to check your mails every day. So once you have filled everything, then click to next. Then you will understand it automatically how to give answers. So the best thing here is there's no one sitting in front of you while interviewing. So the best thing for you is there's no one sitting in front of you while interviewing. There will be a recorded question on the screen and you have to answer it, that's all. So it's just that. So it's very easy and very simple as well. So you should not be scared about it. And that's all about the interview. So let's talk about tips and tricks. So when I gave my interview, it was very easy for me when I gave my interview online through the assessment test. So it was very easy, very nice. The only key to ace this interview is just to be confident, a smile on your face and eye contact. That's all. It's just about that. It's just a matter of fact that you're talking. Just say you should be very fluent and you should be very confident while saying you're giving answers. Your eye contact is very important and your smile. That's all. It's just about that. And I hope this video might help you. And if you want, so when I gave interview, it was very easy and I really enjoyed my interview and it was very nice. So if you want me to make another video on grooming, how did I groom myself, how did I how did I answer, what questions were asked to me, I will also make this video on that. And that's all about it. I hope this video might help you a lot. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll be up with videos which will help you a lot. Thank you so much.